Cryptocurrency. NEO. NEO is an open-source, community-driven platform that leverages the inherent strengths of blockchain technology to optimize the digital world of the future. It uses blockchain technology and digital identity to digitize assets, smart contracts to self-manage digital assets, and a distributed network to achieve a smart economy. NEO is using two native tokens, NEO and Gas. NEO has 100 million tokens in total and was used to manage the network, such as voting for bookkeeping, changing network parameters, etc. Gas is a fuel token with a maximum total limit of 100 million. It is used to pay fees for transactions that are being conducted on the network, and the operation and storage of tokens and smart contracts. NEO was first launched in 2014, known as N-Shares by Da Hongfei and Eric Zhan. It was considered the Chinese first public blockchain. Then it was rebranded as NEO in 2017. Users can trade NEO on exchanges such as Binance, Huobi Global, OKEx Polonie's, and HitBTC. It's not available globally and is not supported by some exchanges such as Coinbase.